Well, my friends, it's the time of the day again when I'm going to do the surf report. Look at this set coming in. I walked out and I saw this just in perfect right, and Punta Miramar is not known as a right, but hopefully we'll get another one of those sets so I can show you. I'm just so impressed when I see him. I'm like, what the heck? I guess I'm gonna have to swing the other way. You know I've been swinging the other way though. Come on. Come on, let's just stop that. Let's stop that. I don't even know what I can get away with these days. If I make gay jokes, I'm gonna get in trouble. Am I gonna cancel? I'll tell you what, I'm gonna cancel this. There's a set coming on the outside. We need about 30 seconds, okay? I couldn't even wait 30 seconds because it's standing up on the outside reef. Look at that, that's amazing. It's high tide-ish. There's kind of the semblance of the ride there. What the heck is going on? Oh no, it did say like 1.5 feet at 16. But what was weird is it said 2 to 3 feet, and I was like 2 to 3 feet, 1.5 at 16. So just an interesting little. This is what happens, you know. These are the pulses we get. It's not, you know, in the summertime it's pumping like this or bigger every day, and we're hugging Sandino. It'd be a little bit too windy for Sandino, maybe not. Oh, look at that one. See that one? Yeah, that one had some shape to it. I mean, you know me, surf reports, go surf. It's hot. You see that? You see that sun shining? It's burning my eyes. It's gonna burn your feet too, walking out on that sand. But that water is refreshing. I know I say it's chilly, but it's probably a perfect 80 degrees. And even if it's a little chillier, it doesn't matter because it's so hot out today. You'll just enjoy it. It's kind of strong offshore, but I mean, it's just right on that cusp. I don't know. It's probably because of the size of the swell, it's probably a little too windy for Sandino. If it was a little bit smaller and breaking farther inside at Sandino, then it wouldn't be as much of an issue to wind. But with swell like this, it's probably breaking pretty far outside, so bumpy. But suffice to say, there's swell. I'm gonna pause it again because it looks like that swell. That one didn't hit that great, but let's pause it and then we'll show you the next one as when it hits here. Well, to be honest, that was like a 1 hour break from videoing lunch, Ferreteria run. But I came back out to check again. Got a few people taking it up. Gotta pick your wave wisely. I don't think you're gonna make that one, buddy. Not gonna make it. Pick the right one. I don't remember what the direction is on this, but it definitely likes a steep south. Definitely likes steep south on this kind of direction. Otherwise, you sit way over here on the end. And the period, that 16-second period. I think yesterday and the day before when I was taking the videos, the period was a little bit shorter. This is new swell filling in. See, this one looks like it's gonna be perfect, but I'll bet you it closes out a little bit. Come on, don't close out. Give us something sexy for the camera. Sexy for the camera. Kind of a corner on it. Oh, not too bad actually. Look at that, a little bit of a section. Sure looks fun though. Sure looks fun. Definitely not a bad swell, solid swell for, someone going deep. Nice pump, nice style, got some skills. Let's see it, something big. Nah, didn't get the section he needed to do something. I was waiting, it looked like he was gonna boost in air or something by the way he was surfing. Could be worse though. Starting to surf, light surf, let's go surf. Cling, clang, bing, bang. Do it down here in Nicaragua.